Yes.
Hi friends, thank you very much for viewing my various videos on varied topic. Welcome to HR Resonance channel. You might have come across or you might have heard various aspects, characters, behaviors, checklists about leadership. And it is all important because every one of us is a leader. Now, I am highlighting you or indicating you what are all leadership behavior checklist, which are all very relevant and which one can emulate. Do you want to be a great leader? And great leaders form habitual behaviors and they do the things that the rest do not. That is the difference between others and the great leader. Further, the skills and behaviors they use are done so on a consistent basis day in and day out. All the time they are consistent. They cannot be whimsical or different or moody. That is one of the glaring factor for leadership behavior. And every single day the great leaders ask more of themselves. What they ask? I am providing you very easy emulating behavior checklist. All the time as a leader, relax and be yourself. One need not copy or worry much of the things. In a relaxing mood, one should do and operate and carry on the work in a relaxing way. And a good leader is one who is a fair. So all the things and all the persons he should deal fairly and fair approach should be there, so that will be accepted. Then be trusting. Trust plays a very important role. The leader influences, carries with a trust and creates a trust. So that makes the difference of the great leader. Further, another behavior is make sure you know what your role is and what is not. That is very, very important role. He cannot involve in each and everything. He has to guide, direct, influence, carry. Those are all various factors. Therefore, as a leader in that particular context or area or the operation, he should know what is his role is and what is not is also important. Further, another behavior of the leader is lead and inspire. This is most important aspect. A leader is one who leads the team. And to lead the team and to influence the team, he has to inspire the people. Come, there may be negative aspects. Come, maybe different problems will be there. He has to inspire and carry on. That is important behavior of the leader. And further, always have a sense of priority in mind. Organization or task or any establishment or any team, they will have a lot of things to carry on. What will be the priority? What is first and second? On priority basis, that should be do. And sense of priority is one of the important character and behavior of the leader. And how do others see you? That is all very important. But don't worry about how others see you. In whatever you may be, that way people will say and they see you. But a good leader must carry on his role and his perspective in a right manner. You don't have to have all the answers. This is another important behavior. Leader may be not knowing each and everything, but he should be a good listener. He has to ask the question. He has to listen to the people. So he need not have the answers for all. Ultimately, answers may assume and they will all come by interaction, listening, teamwork, etc., etc. And another important behavior of the leader is utilize your team's expertise. What one person cannot do, team will do exceedingly well. And team is very, very important. A leader should know what are all the strong and weak points of team member. What is the team's expertise? Appropriately at right time he has to use all the team's expertise. That is one of the important behavior of the leader. Set and agree for goals. This play a very, very important role. Anything one do, there should be a goal. There should be an objective. Set the goal and one should operate in that, and the leader should enable, influence, carry the people in achieving the goals. In between have an interaction and support them, guide them if it is required to stop them and get influence them. That forms a good important behavior of the leader. And ultimately leader should know the direction you are going. So that is one of the very important and crucial aspect of a leader. What direction we are all going, whether it is a right direction, wrong direction, appropriate or not appropriate, correct or not correct, all that direction going is very important, and one of the important function and the role of leader is direction. Then there will be some of the sphere of influence and areas of concern will be also there. So leader, one of the function is to influence the situation, influence the people, influence the mind, influence the people. So sphere of influence, what is all my sphere of influence? That character and behavior has to develop. Then areas of the concerns. There will be some areas of the concerns will be there which play a very important role and they matter a lot. So therefore a leader, behavior of the leader, what are all the concerns? He should be concerned about that. He should display, exhibit, carry on, attend to that, take care of all those things. Friends, I hope these are all some of the food for thoughts as a effective leadership behavior, and I hope you will all agree, and I could see they are not very difficult. Easily we can emulate. If at all we want to become a good leader, we should watchful on these things, we should nurture, develop, see from various perspectives, and we have to go with that. Once we inculcate and do that one, I am sure definitely these tips will help to become a great leader over a period. Well friends, thank you very much for your patient listening. I am sure if these are all helpful to you, if you feel they are all beneficial, don't forget to subscribe to our HR Resonance channel and wait for our further various useful videos in the coming days to come. Thank you very much. All the best.